X-ray or X-ray band is a band of the electromagnetic EM spectrum that has shorter wavelengths, roughly 0.1 nanometers to 10 nanometers, but higher energies and higher frequency than those in the ultraviolet band. So here's the electromagnetic spectrum, and we want to find the X-ray region of the electromagnetic spectrum, which is roughly in this region that I am circling. Now, according to the definition, it is a band that has shorter wavelengths than those in the ultraviolet band. Well, the ultraviolet band is just one to the left, and if we compare it with the radio band, we see the length of the wave is rather large, which is the distance from peak to peak, but the wavelength gets shorter as you go from microwave to infrared to visible to ultraviolet and now into the X-rays. The length between the peak to peak of the wave is much smaller than that in the ultraviolet band. And in fact, so you could take an atom and put it right in between the peak to peak length of the wave. It is that small. It is much smaller than that of a molecule, which is the representative wavelength between the peak to peak and the ultraviolet. So the X-ray band has shorter wavelengths and it has higher frequencies. If you look at the frequency number continues to go up. So at higher frequencies than that of the ultraviolet band. And therefore, it also has higher energies. We have ionizing radiation at this point. In the ultraviolet, X-ray, and gamma ray bands, we have ionizing energies, or energies that have potential to do damage, especially to human tissue. So if we take a look at the sides of the band, we don't really call this the near X-ray side, the nearest to the visible, or the far X-ray side, furthest from the visible. We call the nearest side, we call this soft. So X-rays with these energies or these wavelengths or these frequencies are called soft X-rays. And those on the other side are called hard. Those hard X-rays have higher energies, higher frequencies, and they have shorter wavelengths. Soft is on the side closest to visible, and these are softer X-rays, lower energy. And the ones that are furthest from visible are hard X-rays, or ones with higher energies. This is the entire X-ray band, but the ends are soft and hard X-rays. X-rays band being that of the electromagnetic spectrum that has shorter wavelengths, higher energies, and higher frequencies than those in the radio, microwave, infrared, visible, and ultraviolet bands.